tinawag? Okay ka lang ba?
Yeah po. Bakit po?
Anong bakit ba? Kunin mo na yung mga gamit mo at aalis na tayo, di ba?
Oo nga pala.
Opo!
Okay, tara na. Marcos, tara na.
Coming!
Kausap kami ng teacher mo. Balita ko bumaba daw yung grades mo. Bakit?
Oh, hindi ko po alam.
Kailangan mo ayusin yung grades mo. Graduating ka na. Maasahan ko ba yun, Marcos?
Oh, opo. Opo.
Marcos, andito na tayo. Maghiwalay na tayo dito, ha? Naghihintay na yung mga friends ko sa cafe. Okay?
Okay.
Tapos, iiwanan ko na sa'yo yung susi. Ikaw na lang mag-drive pa uwi dahil gagabihin ako mamaya. Okay? Mag-iingat ka, ha?
Paano ko makakauwi?
Baka ihatid na lang ako ng friends ko or baka mag-grab na lang ako.
Oh,
Okay? Iingat ka, ha? Ito susi.
Angelo? Oh. Sorry. Sorry.
Marcos!
What you been up to? Yes, sir. So you were buying things for your project, I'm guessing? Okay. Because like for us, what we have is like a solar system, and like it's really good, you know. Like we're gonna do a lot of planets and all of those stuff, but then we're gonna do some stars as well. Do you know that? Yeah. Oh, you look very. Are you okay? Yeah. I'm okay. I'm just here. You know? Is it about what's your name? Angelica? Oh, Angela, right? Marcus, okay. Like, honestly, don't even worry about it, man. Like, she's not even that great. You know, sometimes in life, like, you need to pick what you want. And honestly, the first time I saw her, she's not even that pretty, you know? Don't even talk about it. Hey, shut up, man! Marcus! Seriously? Yo, Marcus, come on, man. Like, seriously, I'm just trying to comfort you, bro. Like, get off me, bro! Marcus! Uy! Bro! Seriously, man? Marcus! Problema nun.
Ray, di ka na talaga nagbago. Okay, sir.
Like,
Shopping nga tayo.
no, bro, it's too hot.
Bakit?
Yeah.
For the memories.
Mamaya na, mainit. Mamaya, sige, mamaya. Pag ano, maganda yung ano natin, yung lighting natin. Itong in, right?
Siya lang naman, no?
Oo nga, wait. Siya nandito.
Tara na.
Did you know, I saw her talking to cats as if they were only friends? Like, ang akala ko yung pusa.
What? That's so cringe. Oh my god.
Right? Dude.
She should go to a mental hospital or something.
She's crazy, bro. Honestly.
Guys, don't talk about her like that.
You're gonna be friends with a cat eater?
Besides.
Maybe it's also crazy. Yeah, I think he is crazy. Yeah. Marcus! Are you crazy? Where are you going?
Hi. Nice weather today, no?
Yeah.
Thanks.
What? I don't know. Sorry.
I'm Marcus.
Oh, I'm Angela. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Oh,
I love cats.
really?
Cats are amazing, honestly.
I'm glad you like them. I really enjoy like raising them and stuff. So
Yeah, they can get a bit tricky sometimes.
Marcus, look! I found it. It's so pretty.
Where did you get that?
Somewhere.
That can be dirty, you know.
I mean, it's fine because you could clean it up and then it would be okay to wear. You know. Can you help me wear it?
Are you sure about that?
Yeah. Go.
Okay.
Done, huh?
Yep.
Thank you. The boat's pretty. You like it?
Yeah.
I'm glad.
I
Thank you.
think it fits
Mhm.
you.
Wait, there are goats over there. You wanna go?
No, there's a fence.
We can go around.
No,
Why?
there's a fence.
Because we can go around. Let's go. Marcus. So, how are you?
Well, here, stressed.
Because of
Yes, mostly because of school.
expected. School's pretty hard, so I wouldn't blame it if you're stressed.
Yeah.
You know, this place is like really nostalgic, you know?
Yeah.
I can't believe I'm here again. You know, like my dad, when I was a kid, he used to take me here like all the time. It was really fun, at least when I was a kid. I don't know now, but
Yeah. You said.
pretty enjoyable.
Is that why you always brought me here?
Well, yeah. Oh, wait. Did you like ever get tired when I kept bringing you here? I brought you here though.
No, never. I never got tired of it.
Well, I'm glad. At least that's the case.
So.
Hey Marcus, you wanna sit down?
Yeah, sure.
Let go mo na. Hindi mo naman kasalanan.
How can I let go? And anong di ko naman kasalanan? Pwede naman ako na lang eh. Bakit? Bakit ikaw? Bakit mo ginawa yun? If only naging careful ako. If only nakita ko beforehand. If only! Tara na.
Marcus! Hey, it's okay na, huh? It's not your fault, and it's like done na.
Bakit mo ba ginawa yun?
Well, because I wanted to.
Bakit?
Kasi kaibigan naman kita eh. And you're like the only one who like treated me nicely. Marcus. It's okay now. It's fine. Marcus. It's okay. I did like all of the things na I wanted to fulfill. And you helped me. You know, I'm very grateful that I got to spend those times with you, okay? It's okay. Let it go, let it go. Ano ba? Marcus. That would be my last request for you, okay? Thank you for everything, Marcus, and for all of the memories that you made with me, okay?
Thank you, Tim.
Marcus. Ingat ka ha.
Ingat ka din.